Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Change channel 1-2, over.
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Channel changing to 1-2, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your ETA to pilot service, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My ETA is 0800 hour, local time, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your draft, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My draft is 12.3 meter, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your call sign, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your last port, call and gross tonnage, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My last port call is Canada and my gross tonnage is 12304 MT, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. Do you carry any dangerous goods, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Yes, we carry a 25 liters of IMDG Class 3. Our cargo is iron ore, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is the total number of crew on board, over?
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. The total number of crew on board is 34, over.
MB Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verde Island on channel 1-2, over.
Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. We will call you after we pass Verde Island on channel 1-2, over.
MB Burgundy, standby channel 1-2, over.
Batangas BTS. We will stand by channel 1-2, over and out.